Hello, good morning. Sunday morning, ain't it? Sunday. Actually, it's a nice day today. Look at the blue skies, beautiful. In fact, it turned out quite nice yesterday evening, even though we had some rain in the day. So where are we going today? We're going to do a bit. You're going to do a bit of horse riding, ain't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit of horse riding. She's going to take me. Well, I'm not horse riding, so I'll fall off. I can't even ride a donkey. But I don't know where it is. It's the other side of Lowestoft, ain't it?
Pakefield Riding School.
Pakefield Riding School. It's about, I don't know, it's about 20 odd mile, isn't it? Something like that. Half an hour away from here, so it is. Hopefully she'll get on her horse and then I'll get some footage, see how it is. You go on the beach, don't you?
Yeah, now.
So I'll make my way down to the beach from the riding school and hopefully get some good footage for you. So yeah, check it out. So we'll see you there. So we're off. Apparently it's Kirkland where we're going. Pakefield Riding School. Should be fun. And I've been driven. I ain't got to drive. Let's go. You can definitely smell that there's horses here. So, Gabriella, she's going to get ready. Hey? I know, you can tell the horses are here, aren't they?
Oh, Dad, look!
Oh, hey, meow. It's probably the secretary. What's your name, man, little putty cat? This is usually a trap. You go to stroke it and then claws you. Is that the biggest horse you've been on? Gabriella doing a canter now, enjoying it. She's just about to go onto the beach. So, like I say, you won't catch me on one of them. I'll probably fall off. It'll probably throw me off, actually. Who's this bloody lump on sitting on my back? Get off. Buckaroo. That'll be with me when I get on it. Oh, trailing at a poop there, look. Oh, you can see the beach just down there. Let's get on the beach, shall we? On a nice, beautiful blue sky day. Great stuff.
perfect day for it.
I know, it's lovely, ain't it?
Just absolutely lovely.
Oh, one man. So that's, I think Gabriella's enjoyed herself today, which is good, yeah. Got plenty of footage of her. She's going to be well happy with that. So, yeah, let's carry on.
I always find it like seeing a shot is quite hard, and it gets it's fun. You should be able to. We used to have trainers to make you do 4 hour lesson.
Hey, I like the old monkey tree. Monkey tree's nice. Mine's about 2 foot at the moment. It's going to take like 10 years to grow. One day it will be like that. Be nice. Yeah, so just passing a pub, the Fighting Cocks. That's Cockerels if you're wondering. So I think she's had a really good day. She loves that. Just getting back into the riding school now, and yeah, I think she's had a really good day there. And it's only morning still, so she's going to be having moon all day, I reckon. Now I ain't going to hear the last of it. I did this and I did that, which is what you want to hear, really, isn't it? As long as you had a good day, that's the main thing. So we can get all unsaddled and that now. So that's it. We've done the where was it? Pakefield. Pakefield, that's it. So we've just finished there, the horse riding on the beach. Yeah, really good. I think you enjoyed it, didn't you? Really great. So yeah, that little video, so that's what this little video is, just to show you the horse riding. So if you're into horse riding and that, or you know what it is, know where to come. Pakefield Riding School. It's just near just south of Lowestoft, and you go on the beach and all that stuff. Look fun, but not my sort of stuff. I'll fall straight off. But yeah, thanks for joining me. You know, like, subscribe, do all that paraphernalia if you wanna. If you do, thanks a lot. But till the next time, I'll see you later.